If you are a man navigating life after lichters, you have likely noticed a frustrating pattern developing over time. Sleep no longer feels truly restorative. Daily energy fades faster than it used to. And potency, once reliable, now feels unpredictable. Many men assume this is simply the unavoidable cost of aging, or that the only solution must involve complex pharmaceutical interventions. However, based on decades of clinical observation, I can tell you that these issues rarely exist in isolation. Poor sleep, declining vigor, and erectile inconsistency are deeply interconnected, and in the majority of men over lichters, they trace back to a single correctable nutritional deficiency that disrupts your physiology every night while you sleep. Here is the data-driven reality. Large-scale epidemiological studies show that more than 0% of men over the age of lichter suffer from a measurable inadequacy of this critical nutrient. This deficiency does far more than make you feel tired. It alters hormonal signaling, impairs vascular function, elevates nighttime stress hormones, and interferes with the biological processes required for strong, dependable erections. The result is a downward cycle that no amount of stimulants, willpower, or temporary solutions can truly fix. You can pursue medications and expensive treatments, but if the underlying nutritional and cellular foundation is ignored, you are simply masking symptoms rather than correcting the cause. When taken in the correct form and at the proper time before sleep, this single mineral delivers a powerful triple action effect. It restores deep sleep architecture, blunts the nighttime cortisol surge, and optimizes blood flow dynamics that are essential for male sexual performance. This is not theory. These mechanisms are well documented in clinical literature. By the end of this video, urologist Dr. Marianne will not only identify this crucial nutrient, but also explain the specific protocols required to maximize its effectiveness. For men over lichters, you will learn how dosage matters, which forms are actually absorbed, and which combinations ensure that your body uses every milligram efficiently rather than wasting it. Pay close attention because the most common mistake men make has nothing to do with timing alone. It involves what this mineral is taken with. Mastering this one detail is often the difference between deep, restorative, testosterone supportive sleep and a supplement that produces little more than expensive urine. And before we go further, consider this clinical question. Are you experiencing spontaneous, reliable morning erections most days of the week? Do you wake after 7 or 8 hours feeling genuinely refreshed, not merely functional? If the answer to either is consistently no, then you are very likely affected by the deficiency we are about to address. Chronic underperformance, whether in energy, sleep quality, or sexual function, is not a personal failure. It is a physiological signal. And today, we are addressing that signal with evidence-based, actionable science. If this topic matters to you, subscribe now. My commitment is to cut through misleading marketing and provide clinically grounded strategies for sustained male health well into later life. In my daily work, I study the mechanisms that govern male performance. The ability to achieve and maintain an erection is fundamentally a vascular process requiring rapid and substantial blood flow into penile tissue. The reliability of that process depends heavily on two systems, hormonal balance and endothelial health. Testosterone, the central hormone driving libido, energy, and motivation, is produced most efficiently during deep non-REM sleep. When sleep is fragmented, cortisol rises. Elevated cortisol suppresses testosterone production and constricts blood vessels, directly undermining erectile function. This is not a drug issue. This is biology. Okay, the mineral we are discussing is a vital cofactor involved in hundreds of enzymatic reactions. It supports muscle relaxation, stabilizes the nervous system, improves sleep architecture, and plays an essential role in the production of nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for healthy vasodilation and blood flow. Tonight, we begin correcting the deepest foundations of male biology. The nutrient at the center of this discussion is magnesium. I often refer to it as the mineral of vigor because its impact on male function after lycosis as broad and essential as any vitamin. When used strategically at night, magnesium allows the nervous system to downshift, hormones to rebalance, and blood vessels to regain their responsiveness. This is the foundation upon which deep sleep, renewed energy, and dependable potency are rebuilt. Let's begin with the first clinical step, properly identifying deficiency rather than assuming adequacy. One of the most pervasive mistakes men make after Lucters is believing that general health advice still applies. With age, stomach acid naturally declines, intestinal transit slows, and long-term use of common medications such as proton pump inhibitors or diuretics dramatically reduces magnesium absorption while increasing its excretion. The result is a silent, progressive deficiency that standard blood tests often fail to flag. The correct approach is symptom mapping. You must learn to recognize the subtle but consistent signals of chronic insufficiency. These include persistent leg cramps or restless legs at night, localized muscle twitching, frequent tension headaches, elevated baseline blood pressure, difficulty falling or staying asleep, and a persistent sense of low energy or flatness. If you identify with 3 or more of these, a structured therapeutic trial is clinically justified. Okay? Once deficiency is assumed, the next critical error to avoid is poor form selection. Most men unknowingly sabotage their results by choosing inexpensive, poorly absorbed products. Magnesium oxide and magnesium citrate should be eliminated for this purpose. Oxide is minimally bioavailable, and citrate functions primarily as a laxative rather than a restorative mineral. The two forms with the strongest clinical support for neurological and sleep-related benefits are magnesium glycinate and magnesium L-threonate. Glycinate is chelated with the amino acid glycine, making it exceptionally effective for muscle relaxation, nervous system calming, and reducing sleep onset time. L-threonate is unique in its ability to cross the blood-brain barrier, directly supporting synaptic activity and enhancing the depth of slow-wave sleep, the phase during which testosterone production is most active. And clinically, I recommend a blended approach favoring approximately 60% glycinate for muscular and systemic relaxation and 40% L-threonate for central nervous system support. This dual action strategy addresses both physical tension and neurological recovery. Timing is equally critical. Many men treat supplementation casually, taking it at random points in the day or immediately before lying down. This undermines its effectiveness. To align magnesium's calming and anxiolytic effects with your natural sleep initiation, the full dose should be taken 45 to 60 minutes before your planned lights out time. And this buffer allows adequate digestion, absorption, and central nervous system uptake so that peak serum levels coincide with the body's transition into deep sleep. Taking it too late delays its effect and can interfere with the very sleep cycles you are trying to restore. Dosage is the next major factor. The most common clinical mistake I see is underdosing. The standard recommended daily allowance is designed to prevent acute deficiency, not to correct a long-standing cellular depletion. Most men over, elixirs require a therapeutic starting dose of approximately 400 milligrams of elemental magnesium nightly, with gradual titration up to 600 milligrams based on tolerance and response. And this increase should be slow and deliberate, rising by 50 to 100 milligrams every 2 weeks. Digestive comfort is the limiting. The body requires sustained intake, often 6 to 8 weeks, to rebuild intracellular magnesium stores. This loading phase is essential before the full benefits to sleep quality, energy, and potency become apparent. So, once magnesium levels begin to normalize, its influence on testosterone becomes evident. Magnesium is not merely a calming mineral. It plays a direct two-pronged role in testosterone bioavailability. First, by restoring deep, uninterrupted sleep, it enables optimal nocturnal testosterone synthesis. Second, magnesium binds to sex hormone-binding globulin, or SHBG, the protein that renders testosterone inactive. By reducing SHBG's grip, magnesium increases the amount of free, biologically active testosterone available to act on libido, mood, muscle tone, and overall vigor. This is a biochemical optimization that no standalone sleep aid can achieve. And finally, we arrive at the foundation of erectile reliability, blood flow. Many men fail to connect a simple mineral with vascular performance. Magnesium is a critical cofactor for endothelial nitric oxide synthase, the enzyme responsible for converting L-arginine into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is the signaling molecule that allows blood vessels to relax, expand, and deliver the rapid influx of blood required for a strong erection. Without sufficient magnesium, this enzymatic pathway becomes inefficient regardless of how much arginine or citrulline is consumed. Restoring magnesium restores the vascular responsiveness that underpins dependable potency. Without sufficient magnesium, endothelial nitric oxide synthase efficiency drops sharply. Nitric oxide is the sole biological signal that allows penile smooth muscle to relax and initiate an erection. When magnesium levels are low, this signal weakens. With consistent supplementation using the correct forms, the endothelial lining becomes primed to generate the rapid, high-volume nitric oxide release required for a firm, reliable erection. This brings us to one of the most commonly overlooked failures in supplementation: absorption. Most men are unknowingly canceling out their results at this stage. Magnesium absorption is significantly impaired by competitive minerals in the gut and by missing key cofactors. Never take magnesium alongside dairy products, milk, or calcium supplements. Calcium directly competes with magnesium for the same intestinal transport channels and will drastically reduce absorption. In addition, magnesium utilization improves dramatically when paired with vitamin B looker and zinc. A therapeutic dose of vitamin B look in the range of 10 to 15 milligrams and zinc 15 to 25 milligrams creates an optimal biochemical environment for absorption and intracellular retention. This combination acts as an absorption shield, ensuring the mineral reaches the tissues where it is needed rather than passing through unused. Even with perfect supplementation, lifestyle interference can blunt results. No supplement can overcome chronic light exposure and nervous system stimulation. To fully activate magnesium's deep sleep effects, you must establish a strict 60-minute darkness protocol before bed. This means eliminating blue light from phones, tablets, and televisions for at least 1 hour prior to taking your dose. Blue light suppresses natural melatonin production and keeps cortisol mildly elevated. Magnesium works synergistically with darkness and melatonin, allowing the nervous system to downshift and the brain to enter the deepest restorative sleep phases where hormonal repair occurs. And at this point, you now understand the single foundational mineral and the 8 essential protocols that restore deep sleep quality, hormonal balance, vascular responsiveness, and male vigor after elixirs. This is not a magic pill. It is the restoration of cellular physiology that aging and modern lifestyle quietly erode. Or moving forward, if this science-based approach is giving you clarity and control, take a moment to support the channel by liking and sharing this video. Doing so helps other men avoid unnecessary medications and misinformation. Okay, now let's address the most damaging myths that continue to circulate in men's health. The first myth is that all forms of magnesium are the same and that only the milligram number matters. This is false. The form is far more important than the listed dose. Magnesium oxide is inexpensive but provides minimal systemic absorption. Chelated forms such as glycinate and L-threonate are required for neurological relaxation, sleep quality, and muscle recovery. The second myth is that frequent nighttime waking simply means dehydration or excessive evening fluids. While fluid timing plays a role, nocturnal waking is often driven by shallow sleep, anxiety, or poor sleep architecture. By improving deep sleep cycles, magnesium reduces time spent in lighter stages where awakenings are more likely. Great. The third myth is that testosterone supplements are the only way to increase levels after elixirs. Testosterone production occurs during deep sleep. Fragmented sleep suppresses it. Restoring magnesium levels and achieving consistent 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep is the safest, is the safest, most effective way to maximize natural testosterone production. Okay, the fourth myth is that vascular performance can be fixed with arginine or citrulline alone. These provide the raw material, but magnesium is the catalytic cofactor that allows nitric oxide synthesis to occur efficiently. Fuel without a catalyst does not produce power. The fifth myth is that caffeine has no impact on nighttime supplementation. In reality, caffeine increases mineral excretion and acts as a diuretic. Late-day caffeine actively flushes the very minerals required for sleep and recovery. A strict caffeine cutoff is essential. You now have the most important nutrient and the complete clinical framework to restore sleep, energy, and potency after elixirs. If you implement only the timing protocol and the absorption shield, most men experience noticeable improvements in sleep quality and daily energy within a month. If this content has delivered real value, please support it with a like and share it with one man over looks you genuinely care about. Okay, now I want to hear from you. Which cofactor do you suspect you may be lacking more, zinc or vitamin B look? Leave a detailed comment below. I read every one for future content planning. Remember this final truth. Declining vigor and potency are not failures of aging. They are failures of cellular maintenance. By mastering the nightly magnesium protocol, you are not taking a supplement. You are actively repairing and optimizing your hormonal, vascular, and neurological systems. Move forward with confidence and clarity, equipped with science rather than fear. Thank you for investing the time to become a more informed, resilient man. If you want to take this further, watch the video on your screen for my complete guide on pelvic floor training to retain increased blood flow, or explore the next video for advanced strategies to address nocturia naturally. Until next time, be healthy, be well rested, and be strong.